if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to see some more videos. So this is my Harry Potter inspired look, so keep on watching if you want to see how I go. Taking some foundation from Rimmel London, I'm going to be applying this all over my face. I'm then going to take some Elmers glue stick and some Too Faced translucent powder and apply this to my eyebrow so I can cover it up. Taking my Smashbox contour palette, I'm just going to shade around the face. Glam by Profusion, I'm just going to take the brown shade and then I'm going to create Harry's eyebrows. Again, with my Smashbox palette, I'm just going to contour the nose and around the eyes. I take some black eyeshadow from Profusion and create Harry's glass. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I'm just going to highlight some areas and
Harry Potter is dead. From this day forth, you put your faith in me.